Ngemva kokuyinikela ejele laseScott, uZuma ugcinwe ihora elilodwa wabe sededelwa. Lo shwele okhethekile uqaye namhlanje kanti kubuye ngathi uZuma ungowokuqala ukuhlomula kuwo.
The former president came in at 6 o'clock and he left after 7 o'clock. And he left after all the administrative processes that were required to be undertaken in line with the criteria that as the National Commissioner have approved of implementing the commission that was approved by the President.
Lo shwele ugunyaza uMengameli U-Ramaphosa ukudedela iziboshwa egotshwe ngamacala ngenalo udlame futhi angabandakanya ukunukubeza ngenhloso yokunciphisa ukugcwala ezikhungweni zokuhlonyeliswa kwezimilo.
The decision to effect the remission of sentences is taken by the President in terms of Section 84(2)(j) of the Constitution. And this decision is aimed to alleviate the overcrowding space in the Department of Correctional Services.
Yize uZuma ngaphandle kwamanje kusobala ukuthi lolu daba kusekude kuphela uma kwenziwa ngokusho kwamanye amaqembu aphikisayo. Manje esabesa ngokusiphosa lesinqumo inselele ezinkantolo.
And this really does represent a new low in South Africa for the rule of law and respect for judicial processes. It has been played fast and loose with the criminal justice system in South Africa, and once again has shown that the ANC membership card in your pocket is your best defense.
Izakhamuzi ziphawulile ngokudedelwa kukaZuma.
Kuyicebelihle lelo ukuthi engayijele njengoba kade umphathi nje omkhulu eqavile labo eSouth Africa.
Ngijabule kakhulu uZuma mengasayijele because former president vele befuna athola ushwele.
Ababukeli bethu bayithumelile imbono yabo evideo ngeWhatsApp bephawula ngalolu daba.